The brand new Holland 5510 Blue Tractor 2026 edition, a machine that brings power, reliability and cutting-edge features to the world of farming and agriculture. This model is the result of years of innovation from New Holland, designed specifically to meet the needs of modern farmers who require both performance and efficiency without compromise. The 5510 Blue is equipped with a robust 3-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine delivering around 50 horsepower, which means it can handle a wide range of tasks from plowing and sowing to hauling and harvesting effortlessly. The engine is BS6 compliant, ensuring that it not only gives great performance but also meets the latest environmental standards, which is increasingly important today. Farmers will appreciate the seamless and responsive nature of the engine, which provides excellent torque even at low RPMs, helping with heavy-duty operations and saving fuel at the same time. When it comes to design, the 5510 Blue continues the iconic New Holland blue color scheme, but with updated graphics that give it a fresh, aggressive and modern look. The larger fuel tank capacity allows for longer working hours without the need for frequent refueling, keeping productivity high even during the busiest seasons. The tractor's transmission system features a smooth 8 forward and 2 reverse gear setup, making it incredibly easy to adapt to different field conditions and requirements. The gear shifts are crisp and the clutch is surprisingly light, reducing fatigue during long working days. Another highlight is the heavy-duty front axle, which is built to handle tough terrains and rough fields with minimal maintenance. The 5510 Blue also comes with an advanced hydraulics system that offers a lifting capacity of around 2,000 kilograms, enabling it to work with a variety of heavy implements and attachments from rotavators and cultivators to plows and trailers. New Holland has also paid special attention to comfort and ergonomics. The operator's cabin, although not a full AC cabin, is extremely comfortable. It offers a wide seat, adjustable steering and an intuitive control panel that puts everything within easy reach. The suspension seat absorbs shocks from rough terrains, and the wide platform with anti-skid material ensures that getting on and off the tractor is easy and safe. Visibility from the driver's seat is excellent, allowing operators to work with confidence even in tight spaces or crowded fields. Safety features include powerful multi-disc oil-immersed brakes providing reliable stopping power even on slippery surfaces, and a robust PTO shaft with standard and economy modes, giving farmers flexibility depending on the job at hand. Whether you are powering a thresher, water pump or any other equipment, the PTO system ensures efficiency and reliability. Maintenance is made simple with easily accessible service points, making routine checks and oil changes quick and hassle-free. Another impressive aspect is the electrical system with a high-capacity battery and a powerful alternator, ensuring that the tractor supports additional electrical attachments like sprayers, lights and even electronic sewing equipment without any issues. Technology integration is another area where the Holland 5510 Blue shines, offering optional features like mobile charging ports, digital instrument cluster and even telematics support for real-time performance monitoring and service reminders. This makes it easier for large farm operators to manage their fleets and schedule preventive maintenance, thereby reducing downtime. The tractor rides on durable rear tires and front tires that offer excellent grip and stability across muddy or rocky fields, helping farmers maintain steady progress even in challenging conditions. In terms of pricing, the Holland 5510 Blue 2026 is positioned very competitively, offering an excellent balance between features, durability, and cost of ownership, making it a smart investment for both small and medium-sized farm owners. New Holland's widespread dealer and service network ensures that parts support and expert assistance are never too far away, giving owners peace of mind that they can rely on their tractor season after season. Overall, the New Holland 5510 Blue Tractor 2026 is not just a machine but a partner in your farming journey, combining strength, technology, efficiency, and comfort to help you get the job done faster and better than ever before. If you are looking for a tractor that will stand by you through thick and thin and deliver exceptional value for your investment, the 5510 Blue should definitely be on your shortlist. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more reviews, updates and farming tips, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest farm machinery and equipment.